our channel, or welcome to our channel if you haven't been here before. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be giving you guys a house update. So we bought this bungalow back in June 2020, about 3 or 4 months ago now. It is 1,176 square feet. It is a 1960s bungalow. So we have some tight quarters. I've learned to live with it. I have lived in it for a few months and I can tell that our dream home is going to be much bigger in my opinion. Now you can make it work. We have made it work with a family of 5 and living under 1,200 square feet. So you can make it work and I'm here to show you guys how you can do that. Today's video is about fall decor and just what we have done in our house to like update for the fall. We're going to be switching out this decor for the more seasonal holiday decor as we move forward with the days and the weeks. Also, I have a cheesecake and Frito pie that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Super simple. I got it off Pinterest, so I cannot take credit for it. If you have any type of like stew or crock pot meal or something very simple, pies, cakes, I'm loving those. Put them in the comments so I can try them out. We love trying out simple recipes. My husband and I, we both like, you know, I love like casseroles and stews and like soups and stuff like that. So if you have anything that you like, put it in the comment below and I would love to try it out and shout you out. So today's video is all about fall. Like I said before, mostly everything that I have in the video is from Hobby Lobby, as well as like D&D discount. So if you like these types of video, guys, stick around, leave me a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're feeling lucky. Before we dive all the way into the video, guys, I wanted to show you guys this entryway. It's really nothing special right now. It's not really anything special right now, but I am going to be painting. We're going to be painting this navy blue to match the bottom cabinets. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about that. So we just have some keys right here. We're going to be putting, like, we wanted to put pictures up here on this wall, but I don't know, guys. It's so tight. It's like literally we don't even be in this area. It's just like we come in and we put our mail right here and then we step like it. This is the living room area and then the kitchen is back there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little snippet.
What can you do when your head over heels in love? No need to fight, but it's keeping her up all through the night. No end in sight. Ooh.
enjoying the video thus far. I am making a Frito pie. Now you can use your own homemade chili or whatever you have. I'm just using the canned stuff because that's what I have, and either way it's going to turn out good. I also wanted to show you guys my pepper and salt shakers that I got from Hobby Lobby as part of their fall 40% off sale. Love them, super cute. Now I don't know if I'm the only one, but when I go to the fair, I don't go for the rides, I go for the food. I always get a funnel cake, a Frito pie, something like that. Is super good, and yeah, I always get that. But since it's 2020 and we didn't get a fair, I decided to make it myself. I also changed up the little thing that I said I was going to make a cheesecake. I'm actually making what is it? Sorry guys, stuffed cheesecake strawberries. So it's basically strawberries with cheesecake stuffed inside of it, and all you need is, of course, strawberries. You need 2 packages of the Philadelphia cream cheese spread, a dash of vanilla, a cup of confectionate sugar, and I think that's about it. And you just whip it all up, and when I tell you, your kids are gonna be bragging, they're gonna be bowing down to you, girl. This is some good stuff. And the kids can also, you know, be able to help you out with this recipe. They can dig out those strawberries like mine did. If you continue watching, you're going to see that we dig those strawberries out. We stuffed them. Girl, they were licking and making a mess, but it was so fun and so many memories were made. And this stuff is so good. You put them in the refrigerator for a little while so they can chill. And when I tell you, that's all I'm going to say. When I tell you, you know what that means, right? It's so good. As this video comes to an end, guys, I just wanted to extend the invitation to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video. It helps YouTube recommend my videos to other mommies and people that like to watch stuff like this. Until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.